Hello everyone, welcome back to Life with Love and Learning. How you doing? So today I made this vanilla cake with some of the ingredients that I had at home. I have my flour already sieved though, because I like to sieve my flour. I have some eggs, some sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, vanilla extract, and margarine. Here I went in with my margarine and sugar, mixed it all together, stirred very well before I went in with my eggs. After which I mixed properly for it all to combine very well. I mixed it, I stirred before going in with my vanilla extract. And after which I also mixed that together before I added my flour. I added my flour, my baking powder, and some salt, and then I also mixed